classes. I am R. Kumar. Students, you are going to read the remaining part of the tense. In the last video, I explained in detail rules of all parts of present tense using special words which are strongly required for competitional examinations. In past tense, you will read special words, some important words which you have to keep in mind, and preparation will be better. Okay, so let us start the video. Past tense. Like present, it also has 4 parts. Okay, so let's see. Simple past. Okay, simple past. Construction for simple past is subject plus V2 plus object. Notice this, V2, second form of verb. Any verb you are going to use, you have to use for this tense. Simple past. No. What do you mean by simple past? In the past, any action was done either every day, every week, every month, every year. Like simple present tense, what I explained you, in present, action is done every day, every week, every month, every year. In the same way, you have to think about this, but the action was done in past, previously, before. So, for simple past, I also told you in the last video, verb should be prepared earlier when you are going to read tense with a spelling V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, all things you have to complete first. So, okay, second form of verb only you have to use for simple past. Let us take instance. She wrote a letter. In this sentence, this is second form of verb. You are looking write, wrote, written. For simple past tense, you have to remember this is not used. Likewise, where also is not used. Okay, I have crossed here, don't use. Simple past tense. Okay, but there are important words for simple past tense which you have to keep in mind. Okay, important. Yesterday, look here, last, I am giving here dot. So what do you think here? Last week, okay, month, year, okay, and see here, dot, 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 blank space, ago. So what you have to write here? 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 10 days ago, 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, or 2 months ago, 5 months ago, 10 months ago, 3 years ago, okay, 4 years ago, okay, yes, here you have to remember it, you have to write like this, 2 years, like this. 2 years I have written, many things I told you here, what should be written. So, these things, if you are going to use, including this I have to say, if you are using them, you have to use either in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Okay, don't forget position of these three important things or words I have to tell. You have to use either in the beginning of the sentence or at the end. Beginning or end of the sentence. You can take instance for the same. Two years ago, he went to London. Okay, or if you want, you can write he went to London 2 years ago. No problem. So these things you have to keep in mind, which are very important. Okay, now simple past tense is clear. Let us see second part of past tense. Second, past continuous. Okay, past continuous. Construction for past continuous: subject plus was/were plus before plus object. Okay, subject was, were, before object. Remember, you have to use fourth form of verb. Fourth form of verb, it contains ing. Okay, reading, playing, going, coming, watching, feeling, running, many verbs there are. It contains ing. V4 means ing. You have to select was, where carefully according to subject. I don't think you need to learn how to use was or where. No. So let us take instance for the same. It was raining. Okay, it was raining. Or they were running. For this tense, important words you have to keep in mind. Same important words which I told you for simple past, you have to use. Okay, but yesterday, or ago, here I told you in simple past, 2 weeks ago, 3 months ago, 4 years ago, like this. Okay, similarly last year dot dot. I told you how to use last year, last month, last week. You can use here. Position is same. Use in the beginning or in the end of the sentence. Okay, end of the sentence. Let us take another instance for the same. Yesterday, we were playing cricket. Okay, you can use in the beginning or at the end according to subject. Auxiliary has been selected here. Okay, now next, past perfect tense. Here for present continuous, at the moment, no, at the time, like words also can be used. Okay, now past perfect. Construction should be subject had plus V3 plus object. One thing you will notice, present perfect has similar construction except this. Present perfect you have to use has, have, and past perfect only in place of has, have you have to use had. No, and other things are similar. Third form of verb, this is third form of verb is required. So you have to complete with a spelling third form of all the verbs. Okay, so that you can use them in tense correctly and properly. Position of the verb you have to see after had. Okay, careful. What should be done? Instance. It had rained. Let us take another instance. She had cooked delicious food. Okay, V3 you have to keep in mind. And now important words, okay, which you have to keep in mind. Only important words helps the students. If you don't keep important words in the mind, and if you think to keep construction and example, okay, so it can be difficult for you to discover which tense is given in question paper, and then filling in the blanks or choosing correct word from the bracket to complete the sentence will be difficult. Yes, this is important. Like present perfect, what I told you, no, already, almost, just, and yet. I have explained them in the last video. Present perfect, how to use them, you can look at. Okay? Except these 4 words, some other important words also you have to keep in mind, which you have read in simple present and in simple past and past continuous, like yesterday. Okay? Last, ... last year, last month, and ago, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, 5 months ago, 10 years ago, and you know how to use them in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. Okay? So past perfect tense is completed. Okay? Now last part of past tense. It is past perfect continuous. Okay? Past perfect continuous. Spelling, you have to care for the spelling. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, the action which was started earlier, which had been started earlier, was continue, going on, and it was not possible to decide when it was going to stop, when it was going to an end or quit. Okay? This is the sense of past perfect tense. Any action which had been running, which was had been started earlier, and it was still going on, and it would be going on in future, about which time is not fixed, not given. Okay? So this is the idea about past perfect tense. Past perfect continuous tense. Your construction should be subject had been plus before plus object. Okay? For this tense, you have to see use of been and before. Before, you know, verb plus ing, and this is important. This is the word which separates this tense from other. Every tense has something unique with it. Okay, something unique means something different from other tenses. Therefore, tenses are separate. It had been raining. Okay? Or you had been writing. Okay? Special words which are important for this tense, you can use for or since. Okay? Okay, where after verb. After verb. Important words. This is okay. Except these two, how to use them, you can see last video. where use of for since, especially these two things I have explained in detail in preposition. If you haven't watched this video of prepositions, you can subscribe and you can watch them, how to use for since. Okay, actually this is period of time and this is point of time. So what do you mean by period of time and what do you mean by point of time? Rules you can learn there, it is okay. But anyway, you can use for or since, okay, at the end of the sentence, especially after verb. I have written here, you can see, okay. Except these two, there are other words also you can be used, like yesterday, last week, month, year, okay, ago, 3 weeks ago, 6 months ago, 20 years ago, here, okay. And these three you have to use either in the beginning or at the end of the sentence, okay. So past perfect continuous tense also is clear. Subscribe this channel, press the bell icon so that you can get updated videos for your better preparation. APLS classes always thinks for your bright career. Share to your friends, family, relatives. Like it. Thank you for watching.